Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The issue at hand is why Microsoft would suggest setting required properties to null in a model. This might seem counterintuitive at first, especially when dealing with required fields. The example provided shows a movie class where the title property is marked as required but defaulted to null. It's a bit puzzling, right? We'll uncover the reasoning behind this approach and address a couple of related concerns. Now, onto the solution. The key point here is to use the required modifier in the model class, as shown in the code snippet below. By applying the required keyword to the string property, like title, we ensure that it must be initialized whenever a new instance of the class is created. This not only helps in satisfying the null state analysis during compilation, but also enhances clarity and robustness of the model. It's all about ensuring proper initialization, while still allowing object initializers to work their magic. In summary, we've explored why Microsoft suggests defaulting a required property to null in a model, and how the required modifier can be utilized effectively. Through this approach, we navigate around nullability warnings and enforce initialization requirements in our code. With that, it's time to wrap up. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!